1999 Ford F-450 dually. Got the Fontaine body kit put on when the truck was brand new. Original owners paid over $100,000 for this truck, brand new, including the body kit. .3 turbo diesel, just breaking in, 108,000 miles, which is extremely low. Tires are fairly new, 12 ply on the front. And 14 ply on the back. I think they're F-rated. .5 size. .110 psi in the rears and 95 on the front. Interior is perfect. Front leather seats have been reupholstered. Six-speed manual trans, or 5-speed with the granny gear. Got airbag suspension on it, so it rides like a Cadillac.
Begs you to go for it. Really, it demands, because here kayaking isn't just a peaceful float down the river.
Oil pressure is perfect. Excuse me, I was wrong on the mileage. It's not 108. It's 81,698, which is unheard of for a 7.3 truck. I've got the same engine in my Excursion with 319,000, and it's 1 year newer. On the 7.3 trucks and Excursions, the weak link is usually the automatic transmission, unless you have John Wood transmissions build them. Engine's all stock. Batteries are new. Perfect for towing a fifth wheel or trailer. There's the airbag setup on the back. It's got approximately 100-gallon fuel tanks. Huge brakes on that F-450. No rust anywhere. California truck. It's for sale. Price to sell quick. Call me if you have any questions. 714-757-8437. If this was my truck, first thing I would do is put the 2009 mirrors on it, bolt right on. Then they would have the running lights and blinker lights on the outside. Which is what I did on my excursion. They work fantastic. I've got a bunch of pictures if you want me to email those to you. Thank you.